We still have a long journey ahead of us, 23 hours and 31 minutes from Louisiana, home to Salt Lake City, Utah. Out of order. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Lake Charles, Louisiana. Okay, that was annoying. Oh, we're here in Louisiana, but boys, yesterday we drove 12 hours, 800 miles, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana. We're now headed off to Houston, Texas, which is about 2 hours away, and we have a very, very, very special, yes, it is, it's a very special surprise. I can't help myself. It's cool every single time. 148 miles, 11:32 a.m. to Houston. Go! Full side! Whoa! Can I get a God bless Texas? Dun, 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 dun. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to Houston, Texas, home of the Texans, the Astros, and the Rockets. Go Rip City, go Yankees. I like the NFL, but I don't really have a team. Whoa. I just got the craziest news. A 5.7 magnitude earthquake just hit Salt Lake City, Utah. To all my Utah peeps, I hope everybody's safe. I hope there's no damages. I love you guys. And then the news is reporting they're expecting an even bigger earthquake to hit in 2 hours. I just got off the phone with the Burlacker, Nick. The house is fine, Oscar's fine, he's fine, his wife is fine. He moved the Aventador outside as well as his Shelby GT350. The Aventador is the only car that I have at the house. But man, the world is a crazy place right now. I love all you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I hope everybody is safe. We've arrived here to Texas. We're headed to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in the state, and I'm gonna see you guys there momentarily. And we're back. Did I ever tell you guys how much I love the beautiful state of Texas? I know this is an odd transition, but when you see it, you'll totally understand. Dun dun dun! Ladies and gentlemen, boys, we're just out here chasing views on views. God bless the state of Texas. We have the LaFerrari, the C8 Go Home You're Drunk, the 911R, the McLaren Senna, the Rolls-Royce Dawn, and the Porsche 918 Spider. Whoa! Just to put it into perspective how rare all these cars are, there's 499 LaFerrari Coupes, there's 991 911Rs, there's 500 Sennas, I don't know about the Rolls Royce. There's 918 918s, and I think they're building 30,000 C8 Corvettes just in the year 2020. So yeah, anyways. This is my only warning in today's video. This is a straight pipe LaFerrari, so it's kind of sort of on you. It's not on me. There's, that sounds good. Okay. That is such a shrieking V12. All the neighbors are gonna hate us for this. Dude, that was next level. What was that? This is officially the greatest day of my entire life. There are goals in life, and then there are lofty goals, and then there are goals that like I will never reach. Well, no, never say never. Wait for it, wait for it. That was 4,000. I'm not entirely sure what we're doing or where we're going, but we're gonna follow the LaFerrari in the C8 Corvette. I'm gonna try my best to keep up. I don't know if I'm going to, but I'm gonna try. Oh, it's a good day in Texas. View out the rear camera is so sick. We were following the LaFerrari. I don't really know where we're going, but I don't really care. That is so sick. Oh my goodness, that V12 Symphony just screams. The Corvette is not a big car, but the LaFerrari is so low to the ground. It's just like hidden right there. The cars look actually so cool next to each other. I'm not gonna say there's design elements between the two, but they both have like that aero front end, but the LaFerrari is just so aggressive. I'm gonna reckon this is a world's first. This is the first time ever the 2020 C8 Corvette has been compared to the LaFerrari. This is gonna be the dumbest comparison ever in the history of the channel, but at the same time, we have the opportunity. So we have 1,000 horsepower, we got 500 horsepower, we got 60 grand, 70 grand, we got like what, 3-4 million. There's 500 of those in the world. They're building like 20 to 30,000 of these the first year of production. It is crazy to see the difference between the two cars. The LaFerrari is so wide, it is so low. The Corvette is good looking, but as soon as you put it next to the LaFerrari, it kind of looks like a, well, this is not a real comparison by any measure whatsoever, but we have the opportunity, and the cars actually look pretty cool together. I think this is the first time, I think, that the C8 Corvette has run against the LaFerrari. He is gone! The C8 Corvette stands no chance whatsoever. Oh, whoa, whoa. I don't want to say we're lining up, but we're kind of sort of lining up. Dude, yo. So, traction control off. Okay, so we are definitely 100% not gonna launch the C8 Corvette. No! No! That LaFerrari is gone! What? That thing looks insane. Boys, we need a LaFerrari. I don't know how we're gonna get one, but somehow, some way, we're getting a LaFerrari. I know I say that about every single car I ever see. I can't say I'm mad. I wouldn't mind some Jack in the Box in the LaFerrari too. Okay, so, park it, shut her. Jack in the Box was amazing. LaFerrari, C8 Corvette, I'm gonna hop in the Jeep. We're gonna get some cool roller footage of the two cars. That LaFerrari and the C8 look so incredible together. Yo, check that out though. C8 Corvette versus Ferrari LaFerrari. Let's see it! Go, 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 go! Come on! Okay, so the LaFerrari won, but that counted. That was the world's first drag race between a Ferrari LaFerrari and a C8 Corvette. Counted here. It is 3:35 on December 12th. December 12th, it's like March 12th. We got a little shake and bake right there. 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels will do that. That was a double shake and bake. A red light at the end of it, sorry. Whoa, whoa. Okay. What? To all the Ferrari executives, salute to you guys. That is insanity. It is a beautiful day here in the state of Texas. We're in the 918 Spider. It's gonna be a bit of an engineering exercise. I would reckon that Porsches are the best engineered cars in the world, and the 918 Spider is the best of the best. Chassis number 807, they only built 918 of these. Tesla RIP, buy a 918 Spider. Whoa! Okay, this is the fastest production car, 0 to 60 in 2.2 seconds, and these were built nearly like 8 years ago. Oh, jeez! If you have a Tesla, I suggest selling it and getting a 918 Spider. Tesla RIP, Tesla Roadster. You say you can go faster than a 918 Spider. Well, it's time to prove yourself because I don't think you can. Whoa, I mean, I think maybe. Anyways, moving on. I just realized I triggered all the Tesla Nation. I like Tesla. I have a Model Y that's arriving like any day now, but a Porsche 918 Spider, like there's no car quite like it in the world. Oh, okay, so my insides are a little bit messed up. I left my diaper at home, but I think I'm okay. Yo, that is all-wheel drive and all 4 tires grab instantly. Ooh, doggy. It's a good day, a beautiful day. And go. Jeez. Yeah, the tires. The 918 was awesome, but now we're gonna hop in the 911R. This is actually a manual transmission. Oh, there we go. So the 911R is effectively a GT3 RS, but it has the manual transmission and it doesn't have the fatty wing. This car is so sick. There's only 991 in the world, number 453, 500 horsepower. Oh, hashtag save the manuals, am I right? Oh, the roads in Houston are very, very bumpy, and the suspension is obviously very stiff on this car because it's effectively a track car for the road. Whew. Okay, boys, so I just had an epiphany. The 911R has 500 horsepower and has that manual transmission. Imagine the C8 Corvette with a manual. I wonder if anybody's gonna do a conversion on the car. I wonder if it's even possible. Obviously, I'm not an engineer by trade. I know nothing about the technicalities of doing it, but I know that would be amazing. Like, the manual transmission, it just completely changes the driving experience. C8 Corvette with a manual would be sick. Ideas are percolating. Also, should I get a drop head coupe? Probably. We've reached the emotional part of the vlog. We have to say bye to the LaFerrari. I don't know the next time I'm gonna see one. What an absolutely amazing experience. Guys, go follow the owner on Instagram, Car Fanatic. I'm gonna link him below. Such a cool collection. Thank you so much to him. He's a super private guy, that's why he's not on camera. What an amazing collection of cars. The LaFerrari, the Porsche 918 Spider. So we are headed, well, I don't actually know where we're headed. The end of today, we're gonna be in Dallas, but I don't know how we're getting to Dallas. Well, we're gonna drive to Dallas, but I don't know what route. Anyways, more to come. We're headed off to Dallas, Texas. 215 miles. We'll be there at 8:43 p.m. We have the Pontiac Solstice Coupe. You never see those, like, you never see those. What? It's a 6x6. I need tires that big for my Gladiator. Welcome here to Dallas, Texas, home of the Mavericks, the Rangers, and of course, the Dallas Cowboys. What? There's a tunnel that goes under Dallas. Wait for it. Full send. Yes! I wish we were in that LaFerrari right now. We got to straight pipe this Corvette ASAP, but how cool is it to have a tunnel right under the city? I am exhausted. 3,274 miles. This might be the highest mileage C8 Corvette in the entire world. TJ might have more miles, I'm not really sure. There might also be some other schmuck out there who's a day ahead of us. Who knows? But anyways, it's been an amazing car thus far. Tomorrow, boys, we have the hypercar of hypercars of hypercars that we're filming in Dallas. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.